Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Shark YouTube channel. So in this video we are again going to check out SATO the dog product. They had done recently partnerships with many of the footballers as well as the Vision Football Association, which is a club of football. So we will check it later into the video, but first I want to tell you, if you don't know anything about this product, make sure to watch the previous video about this product which is uploaded on my channel. So before going further into the video, I am again going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. Coming back to the website, you can check out SATO the dog built onto the page chain. You can check out their social media handles are given here. I had to recall a small introduction, which is SATO is a decentralized meme coin born on base network and originally launched with minimal utility beyond its meme value. After a period of abandonment by the original developers, the project was revived by passionate community of holders who refused to let SATO fade away into the obscurity. So now they had done recent partnerships with many big names. So first one is Vision Football Association. So if you search it on the Google, you can check it out. It's a football club based in England, and address, phone number, and details are given here. So this is a really big partnership. So if you are a football lover, you can become part of the SATO the dog product, and you can enjoy this product as well. Also, I want to tell you that this is not the only endorsement they had done. They had also done the celebrity endorsements with footballers. So here is the first footballer, Troy Denny. Guys, he's an ex-Birmingham football FC player and a huge celebrity. Guys, you can check out Troy. Matthew Denny is an English professional footballer who plays as a striker. Another footballer has also signed partnership with SATO the dog product. You can check out Harley Dean. If you search him on the Google, you can check out his stats as well as Harley Dean is an English professional footballer who plays as a center back, most recently for EFL League One Racing, Reading, and much more. You can check out salary, bond date, as well as position. He's a defender, so this is really good. So coming back to the side, you can check out the token details, contract address, buy it onto the Uniswap, check it out onto the CoinGecko as well as CoinMarketCap. So each and everything is given here. If you want to know more about this product into detail, make sure to watch my first video. This is just a video in which I want to tell you about the celebrity endorsement. So I am giving you a small recap of the major details. So you can check out the gallery, NFT features, as well as frequently asked questions are given here. So make sure to join their social media handles. And also they had done a partnership with the dog rescue charity, which is Puerto Rico. So if you are a dog lover, you can participate into the SATO the dog product and help rescue dogs. So this is really good. Also to join their social media handles, because they are doing partnerships with many big names, and this is really good and make the product viral. So make sure you jump into this product right now and do some on research as well. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.